दोना पावला अवर लेडी ऑफ द रोजरी स्कुलाचो वर्सुकी रिप्लेंडन्स डे म्हळ्यार वैभव दीस मनयलो। आदल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी हे कार्यावळींत हजेरी लायिल्ली। तरातरांच्या कलाकृतींचो हातून आस्पाव आसलो। पळयात काय खीण।
As the next student of the school, it's an absolute pleasure to be here after so many years. The school has grown in numbers, it has grown in talent, and it's lovely to see this. Today was a performance of such great talent among all the students, and I'm really glad to be here. And today's students have so much talent, and we need to give them more stages for such as these to showcase these talents, so that tomorrow they are recognized in future as well. So yeah, it was beautiful, it was wonderful, and it's really great to be here.
How you like the message of the event?
Yes, the message was very nice. It told us a lot about how we should respect our heritage, our culture, and also what we should do as parents, and how things should change. Now we are so involved with our work life, we're so involved with the tech, but how to get back to what actually matters in life. That was a message sent by the thing, which was really good.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सेंट रोजारियो, गौतमी गांवकार आणि संगीता ओली।